dire wolves were real and pretty awesome. They were large, prehistoric canines, not just fantasy creatures from Game of Thrones. Though the show definitely boosted their fame. Here's the rundown. Scientific name, Inocyandurus. Lived about 250,000 to 10,000 years ago. Mostly in North and South America. Size, bigger and bulkier than modern grey wolves. Around 5 feet long and weighing up to 150 pounds. Diet, carnivorous, hunted large prey like bison, horses and maybe even mammoths. Notable features, strong jaws, robust skeleton, and a powerful bite. They were built for taking down big animals. Extinction, likely wiped out at the end of the last ice age. Possibly due to climate change and the disappearance of their prey. Fun fact, while they looked similar to grey wolves, DNA evidence shows they were actually not very closely related. More like distant cousins that evolved in parallel. Yes, recent reports indicate that Colossal Biosciences, a Texas-based biotech company, has announced the birth of 3 genetically engineered wolf pups, Romulus, Remus and Khaleesi, that they claim resemble the extinct dire wolf. These pups were created by editing specific genes in grey wolves to express traits associated with dire wolves, such as larger size and distinct fur color. However, this development has sparked debate within the scientific community. Some experts argue that these animals are not true dire wolves but rather genetically modified grey wolves, as the genetic differences between the species are significant. Dr. Nic. Rollins emphasized that the dire wolf belongs to a different genus, and that degraded ancient DNA is unlikely to yield accurate results.